السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. موعدنا النهاردة بإذن الله مع الفيديو الثالث، ولسه مع الفونكس ستوريز، والنهاردة مع الشورت اي ساوند. قلنا الاي اسمه اي، لكن صوته في الكلام ايه. نشوف كده عنوان القصة بتاعت النهاردة. Tim got sick. Tim got sick. Tim got sick. أسرع شوية. Tim got sick. Tim got sick. He did not feel well. He did not feel well. He didn't feel well. He didn't feel well. He was very ill. He was very ill. He was very ill. He was very ill. His big sister is a nurse. 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 His sister says. His sister says. His sister says Tim will get better if. Tim will get better if. Tim will get better if. Tim will get better if he takes his vitamins or vitamins. He takes his vitamins. He drinks some milk. He drinks some milk. He drinks some milk. He rests and stays inside. 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 Story number 2. Dig. Dig. I like to dig. I like to dig. I dig in the dirt. 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 The boy digs. The boy digs. The boy digs. He digs with a shovel. 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 Story number 3. Fig. Fig. I see a fig. I see a fig. I see a fig. A fig is a fruit. 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 This is a big fig. 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 Have you ever had a fig? Have you ever had a fig? Have you ever had a fig? Have you ever had a fig؟ ده كان فيديو النهارده، وإن شاء الله هنكمل مع قصة جديدة الفيديو الجاي إن شاء الله.